Hello, I am Dwayne Thomas, and I am the team member that is currently working on the Digital Graduation and Reunion Version 1 Senior Project 2019. So this will be more of the installation and maintenance of this project. So there is no maintenance. You just will be installing the project and the necessary software to run this project and to continue add things to it. So the things you need to install, you need to install Unity 3D. Unity would allow you to run the application. Adobe Fuse CC Beta will allow you to create and design characters. Mixamo, you can either install that or use the web application that will allow you to create the animation and upload it to Unity. Marvelous Designer is something I downloaded extra to allow me to create the outfit for each character. So that's really an option if you can find a better way, because Marvelous Designer has a set of fees, so you can use it for the first trial, but the trial won't last as long. It won't really allow you. After the trial, you will be charged. So you can find a better software that allows you to create the outfit for each user, or you can find the outfit already developed and custom and designed, and you can just import into Unity for each character. So that's pretty much the whole process of installing. Then you can just go to Git bucket to install the actual project from there. So that's pretty much it. So Unity, Adobe Fuse, that's really important to be able to create and upload characters to Unity. Mixamo to create the animation, Marvelous Designer to create the outfit for each user. In Unity, there's also a package that allows you to have Pro Builder. Pro Builder is a way that allows you to create each individual object that I was able to use to create the actual room, the seats, the stage, the room, every piece of object you see here. So that's pretty much it when it comes to installing the set of requirements for this reunion. So C# is helpful. Being able to create 3D objects, that helps if you have any experience with that. You can also use JavaScript as well other than C#. And then you need to be familiar with kind of animation, cameras, lighting, controllers for each character, and having multiple users at once to create some sort of configuration or menu for selected avatars. So that's pretty much it for the installation and maintenance of this project. Thank you for watching. I wish you good luck.